She can create personalized gift sets for you with items from local small businesses. Give it up for the founder of Giftzza, Gemma Tran. Hi. Good to see you. Oh, wow. Drinking it. The Real Housewives of Miami. Say hi to Guerdy Abraira and Dorit Kemsley from the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Over at the bar, give it up for the founder of Giftzza, Gemma Tran. Check out her website for personalized gifts. Thank you very much for my cookies. Hey, welcome back to What's What Up in Time. I'm Andy here with Guerdy, Dorit, Gemma at the bar. Dorit,
Gemma put one of those boxes. She gave me one of those.
And me too.
Incredible.
They're really great.
Wait, and she did it side by side with me with hair and without hair. And how do you like my no hair look?
Oh, I love it.
And behind the bar, it is Gemma Tran from Giftzza. You can order your own custom designed gift sets featuring locally sourced items from New York small businesses at Giftzza.com. Let's go back to our virtual fans.